In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add sections real quickly to your pages and content blocks. Now, by default, you can see this was the page that has been created for us. But let's say you want to add new sections to your page. You can do that real easy by going to the left top here to this plus icon sections. When I click on this plus icon, you will see that now you will have a lot of sections that you can choose from, and these are all pre-designed for you that you can modify. So we have basic here, you have different headers. So let's say you want to have a full photo header like this one, you can apply that as well. So we have sliders. Maybe you want to have a slider as a block on your page. Maybe you want to add articles, or maybe you want to add photos to your page. You can simply go through them. Here you can see all the categories, but let's say you want to replace the header for another section, or you want to add another section here. You can do that real easy by simply clicking on a block. So when you click on the block, you will see now a new section has been added. And let's say I want to add another section. I click on the plus button, I go to article here, and I'm gonna click here on this one. So now you can see there's a new block. So now blocks have been added real quickly to your page, and you can modify these blocks real easy. So you can click on the photo again, and again you can simply click on this folder here, and then you can choose from the existing images. So let's say you want to use this coffee again. Look at this. This is how easy you add different sections to your website. Now let me delete this one, and let me delete this one as well. Do you see how nice this one is designed with the shadow here? So let me delete that one. Let's say we want to have another header. We want to replace this header. So we simply click on this block here. We go to the plus section, and we say we want to have another header here with a full photo as a background like this one. You simply click on this, and look at this. So what we're going to do, we're going to copy this block here, we're going to copy the content, and we're going to paste that content in here. And then also we can copy this part here, and we can paste that part in here. And then what we can do is we simply delete the previous block here. Now we have this as a header of our coffee shop website, and we click on this image in here. Let me see. So you need to click somewhere that the image will be selected here. We click on the folder, and now we choose one of the other coffee images. So I really like this one. So when we select this one, look at this. Now this is the header of our website. That looks pretty beautiful, right? And this is how easy you can add blocks to your website. Now, as you can see here, we scroll through the different sections. So let me zoom out a bit so you can see it better here. So the header here is one section, and then we have another section, which is the about section, as you can see here. So when you click at the bottom of a section, you can see here you get the section settings. You can change here some other things, as you can see. But let's say we want to add blocks inside of a section. We can do that by clicking the second one. So first we clicked selections. Now we can go to the content blocks. And from here, we can add new content blocks to a section. So let's say we want to add here this section, and we want to replace this with a profile picture, for example. We simply drag and drop this where we would like to have this. So let's say we want to have this at the bottom. You simply drop it. Do you see that? And now let's say you want to add more content. You simply go up here and you say, okay, I want to have a paragraph. We simply drag and drop that in here. And as you can see here, now here we have the paragraph, and we can change anything in here. So when we click on this photo, you can see here it has rounded, so we can replace it. So let's say I want to replace this with a profile picture in here. Let's search for a profile picture actually here in the folder, in the library. And instead of coffee, we're now going to search for profile picture. I'm going to click enter. And let's say we want to use one of these profile pictures. Let's say we want to use this picture here. We simply click on this picture, and now you can see it's being replaced on this page, and you can modify here. Now, you can change this text here. You can type this yourself, or you can use the built-in chat, which is here, the AI assistant. Now I'm going to create a separate video for the AI assistant. You can write it yourself, or you can use the AI assistant to write the content for you. But this is basically how you can quickly add new sections and new content blocks to your website. So you can simply, if you want to add a video, you simply drag and drop that in here. And now you are editing a section as I just showed you. And that's how easy you can add sections and different blocks to your website.